Welcome to an exciting journey where innovation changes the way we work in drilling and completion. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm thrilled to share an incredible breakthrough in the world of drilling and completion operations: the creation of an Excel-based application that revolutionizes the way we prepare crossover connection subs. Traditionally, preparing crossover subs has been a time-consuming and manual task, requiring meticulous checking, matching, and sometimes taking several days to complete. But now with this innovative Excel application, the process has been automated, allowing simulations to be conducted in just a matter of seconds. This breakthrough has profound implications. Preparing crossover connections ahead of time can save significant rig time. In drilling operations, time is one of the most precious commodities, and when simulations can be performed instantaneously, the operational workflow becomes much more efficient. The importance of this time-saving capability cannot be overstated, especially when operations move offshore, where any delay or missing crossover tool can cause costly disruptions. One of the reasons we often find so much stock in completion warehouses is because of the variety of well architectures, wellbore fluid considerations, and the specific contracts made with rigs and tubing suppliers. The need to have the right crossover subs available at all times is vital to ensure smooth operations. When preparing tools onshore, the urgency may not always feel pressing, but offshore, every piece of equipment counts. A single missing crossover sub can result in hours or even days of delays. That's why the ability to simulate and match connections with speed and accuracy is a game changer. This Excel application allows users to input connection targets between different wellbore equipment, and in seconds, the simulation provides precise and reliable results. The efficiency of this system will ultimately lead to happier teams and smoother operations, eliminating much of the manual effort previously required. So to all of you in the drilling and completion community, this is a breakthrough worth celebrating. It will not only streamline operations, but also save valuable time and reduce the chances of costly mistakes. If you found this information helpful and exciting, don't forget to share this video with your colleagues and subscribe to stay updated on more groundbreaking innovations. If you're interested in getting your hands on this amazing application to revolutionize your drilling and completion operations, please feel free to contact us via email. We'd be happy to provide you with more information and help you integrate this breakthrough solution into your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it brought valuable insights and inspiration. Enjoy your valuable time, and don't forget to stay connected for more exciting updates.